Seattle Tower, Skylane 52349er.
Skylane 53349er, Seattle Tower.
At ASIG, request taxi with information Charlie for southbound VFR departure.
Skylane 53349er, Seattle Tower, roger, and via Tango, taxi to runway 16 center.
Taxi Tango to 16 center.
349er, affirmative, runway 16 center, taxi via Tango Charlie. Cessna 349er, did you get a Class Bravo exit clearance?
Negative. We're flying VFR to Olympia.
Cessna 53349er, roger. You're clear out of Seattle Bravo airspace to the west. Maintain VFR to below 1,500, squawk 1200.
Squawking 1200, VFR to the west, VFR 349er.
Cessna 43349er, 8 is Charlie's current. The altimeter is 2980. Are you ready to depart off the center?
Roger that. We're ready for departure. 349er.
Cessna 43349 will have your crosswind turn in the air, wind 16013, gust 19er, runway 16 center, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 349er.
Right.
American 609er, Seattle Tower, good evening, full of Boeing 737, 4 mile funnel, wind 16013, gust 19er, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Runway 16 right, American 609.
American 2605 on Papa, hold short of runway 16 center, this frequency.
Okay, on Papa, we'll hold short of 16 center, American 2605.
Cessna 349er, start a right crosswind turn to the west, maintain VFR.
Turning west, maintaining VFR 349er.
Cessna 349er, radar contact off the departure and leaving 1,300.
Really windy.
Yeah, scary.
Sorry. Your mom's scary.
No, I am actually kind of scared.
Just wait till we get to Olympia.
What?
What? Are you?
I got a jacket.
53349er and squawk 0376, and you said you're just going to Olympia?
Affirmative, and squawking 0376.
Cessna 349er, leaving Seattle Bravo airspace to the southwest, and you can contact departure on 120.1. They'll give you flight following to Olympia.
120.1, flight following to Olympia. Thank you, 349er. Seattle departure, Skylane 52349er with you at 1,500 level.
Skylane 53349er, Seattle approach. Good evening, and are you planning to land at Olympia?
Affirmative, that would be our destination, 349er.
That's the 349er. Advise when you have the weather for Olympia.
Roger that, 349er.
Olympia Airport, Olympia, Washington. Automated weather observation 0721 Zulu. Wind 160 at 15. Peak gust 23.
Seattle departure, Skylane 52349er. We have weather for Olympia.
Then 52349er, Seattle departure, roger.
Wait, why am I filming if you have your GoPro set up?
You may get a better picture than me.
I don't know about that. This is moving everywhere.
It is blowing.
Please tell me we already passed the wind shear area.
We just did.
Good. I always braced for that. It's never fun.
Right quarter crosswind. Raining. Not my best landing.
Not bad.
Hey, we're alive.
That was nice. I barely could tell that we landed. Smooth as a baby's bottom. No, for real, are we really on the ground? Because that was really impressive.